Let's talk garlic. So what do you think? You want to see what's under this garlic? Time to plant garlic. It's November 4th. We've had our first frost. Here in zone 7, it's time to plant our garlic. Garlic comes in cloves, and you just break them apart. Don't worry about the paper and the deep mulch, it just becomes part of the mulch. These are starting to yellow out. Now these are soft necks, so they only take about 3 to 5, 6 months. Let's see what we got here. We had a couple volunteers come up, so this is going to be our garlic bed. You place them about a bulb's size apart. That's about a bulb. They're going to want to be in full sun. And you want the pointy end up, of course. Now if you look at these cloves compared to those cloves, that's a pretty good night. That's a nice, that's pretty good. Let's see what else we have. Oh, these are nice. Now that's a nice little bunch. We're going to plant quite a few more than we normally do. This bed seems like it drains really well. You do not want your garlic sitting in water. It may rot. Now there's two kinds of garlic. There's your hard neck and your soft neck. Your soft neck comes up kind of like this with fronds. Your hard neck is going to have one stalk. Your hard neck is the one that puts on the scapes, which runs up for flowers. I believe they both do, but that one's more common. Those are delicacies, so you want to pinch those out if you're growing hardneck. The hardneck needs more cold time than the soft neck. Soft neck will take milder climates. The soft neck is a little milder tasting, and it puts on quite a few more cloves, as you can see here. What do you think? Those are beautiful. Those are gorgeous. I got quite a little bit more to plant, so let me get after that. Just make sure you're covered. This soil is good and damp. I think we're in good shape. Let me get some mulch. Right now, I'm just going to mulch in with some hay. And we'll see what we get. And there's 78 nice garlic cloves. 79 garlic. I missed that one. You can do this too. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.